everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Regpack. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser and in the URL box type in regpacks.com and search. Doing this will take you to the official website for Regpack. Go ahead and click on the Start Your Free Trial button at the top right and fill out the registration form on the next page. In the registration form, you'll need to type in your first name, last name, and an email address at the top. Once you are done providing these information, scroll down and select a title for yourself from the options displayed and then enter a valid phone number. Once you are done, you will need to enter your organization information on the next field. Enter the name, the website and location for your organization and select what would you want to use Regpack for. Choose any one options from the list and scroll down. Select your estimated annual processing volume and finally click on Go to Next Step. Now, you will be creating your account. On the next page, you will need to verify your email and get started. Open up your email inbox on a new tab. Once you open up the email, you will receive an email from Regpack team. Click it open and get started with the Regpack trial. Click on Get Started inside the inbox and then set up your account. You will first need to click on the Sign in with Google option, select a Google account or enter your Google account's credentials and on the next page, type in the name for your project and click on Go to Next Step. Now, go ahead and enter the team member's first name, last name and email. Now click on Invite Team Member to invite the member on your project. Finally, click on Go to Next Step, follow through the on-screen prompts, and once all of these steps are completed, you will be able to sign up for Regpack. Now go through the little tutorial from where you will need to know all of the basics for the account. After getting a little tour, you have successfully completed your registration. And that is how you can easily sign up for Regpack. Regpack offers extensive documentation, tutorials, and webinars to help you get started and learn about its capabilities. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.